US Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito has criticized statements by Boris Johnson and Prince Harry on abortion rights, and he doesn't skimp on sarcasm. So one of the Supreme Court justices made fun of British Prime Minister Boris Johnson and criticized Prince Harry in a speech. Samuel Alito is among the Conservative judges who signed off on the controversial abortion law ruling. In a speech in Rome that has now been published, Alito rejected criticism of the verdict. The Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, a ruling that made abortion rights possible in 1973. In the opinion of the top judges, however, this is not mandatory for the states. There were massive protests against this in the USA, but also internationally. Several states then banned abortions. The top lawyer turned against criticism voiced by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson and French President Emmanuel Macron, among others. Alito also targeted Britain's Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, who referred to the abortion ruling in a speech at the United Nations last week. I've had the privilege during this term of writing, I believe, the only Supreme Court decision in the history of this institution that has been berated by a slew of foreign leaders who have been perfectly comfortable commenting on American law, said Alito. One of them was former Prime Minister Boris Johnson, but he paid the price, Alito joked, referring to Johnson's plans to resign. But what really hurt me was when the Duke of Sussex went to the United Nations and the decision, whose name must not be spoken, seemed to be likened to the Russian attack on Ukraine, and that he said in quite a sarcastic tone. In Prince Harry's July 18th speech, the royal referred to 2022 as a painful year in a painful decade, before citing the war in Ukraine and the rollback of constitutional rights in the United States, which appears to have translated into the abortion judgment. Alito's references to foreign reactions during a speech on the importance of religious freedom drew laughter from the audience, though. But to be honest, that might be a bit funny, but the whole decision there in the US was all but funny. It was a turn back on human rights, and there I have to agree with the Duke of Sussex. And I'll see you in my next video. Ich komme wieder.